Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share homemade coconut milk curd recipe or yogurt recipe. Coconut curd is usually made from fermenting coconut milk. It is purely plant-based yogurt that is usually made without animal milk. This makes it ideal for people following vegan diet or people who are intolerant of other plant-based products. It is lactose and casein free, naturally creamy and naturally sweet, and almost tastes like curd made from milk. Let us see how to prepare homemade coconut milk curd. I have already uploaded a video regarding how to prepare coconut milk and its health benefits. The links will be updated in the description box below. Here I have taken fresh coconut milk in a glass. By double boiling method, we have to boil the coconut milk. We should not boil coconut milk directly. Boil water in a large vessel. Place one stand and above that place another container and transfer the coconut milk into that stainless steel container and bring it to boil. We have to stay in between. Once the coconut milk reaches lukewarm temperature, transfer it into small bowl. To set the curd as a starter, I am using green chili stalks. Immerse them in milk. Green chilies are rich in various lacto-acid bacteria. These bacteria create a starter for lacto-fermentation of milk. It is easy way to make curd while you don't have a starter. Cover and allow it to ferment. Keep it in a warm place for better result. It may take 12 to 20 hours to set. After 20 hours, coconut curd is ready. Let us see how creamy it is. This naturally fermented food is good source of probiotics. Due to probiotic nature, coconut yogurt is said to aid digestive health, improves intestinal function, protects from infections, reduces the risk of colon cancer, and lowers serum cholesterol level. You can use this curd as a starter for your next batch of curd. Same like animal curd, you can use this curd in any of your dishes or directly you can use it. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.